Why me? That's a question I'm sure each of us have asked ourselves at some point in our life. Yes, my friend. We ask this question when life throws a curveball at us and we are not prepared for it, and then we look at it and say, this shouldn't have happened. You feel frustrated, defeated, and then this question naturally pops up into your mind. Why me? When this question comes into your mind, then unknowingly you are playing a victim mindset, because when you think that why is it that I have to go through this situation or this specific scenario or challenge, then trust me, my friend, you are looking at the problem in a much bigger way than the problem actually could be. And that also will not help you in any way. It will just make the problem bigger and bigger, not only in your mind but also with the people around you. So what's the point in asking why me? Maybe that problem, situation or challenge has come to you to teach you something, to give you a better perspective of something, or to make you stronger, whatever. But the only way to solve or to remove that why me is look at it and say, why not me? Or why, sure, let's face it. Because when you say, okay, let me see what this problem is there to teach me, then at that moment your perspective and your mindset changes. And that change in mindset, trust me, is very important, because now the problem is getting smaller and smaller in your mindset, and then you are not anymore afraid of the problem or situation. I'm not saying the problem could be smaller, it could be quite an immense one, but if you don't give its attention, it will reduce in its size, and also the effect on you. So the next time, my friend, don't ever say why me, just say why not me. This has come, and this problem is a blessing in disguise. This has come to strengthen me, this has come to teach me patience, this has come to teach me more of perseverance, anything which gives you the positivity and helps you to progress in life. So my friend, you could be going through one of the challenges, or maybe you could come across one in the future. You never know, because life is beautiful and it's got its ups and downs. You enjoy the happiness, but also don't forget to take that lesson, imbibe that teaching which that situation challenge is giving you, and then you will have the strength to face it, to conquer it, and to also make it as a part of your memory. Well, this is my thought. What's yours? Don't forget to share.